welcome back. We're back on the job again. Another week. Guess what? It's not raining at the minute. It says it's going to rain in like 2 minutes. So I've quickly jumped up there. Yeah, I jumped up here. I've just started bobbing these on while weather's alright. What I'm doing is I'm just putting them on and we'll just grind them off because I'm just trying to get a bit done while it rains off. We can grind them off anytime then. So what we'll do is we'll get this gable done and then we'll find something else to do. Get this out of the way first. Stacey's mum, she's got it going on. Yeah, I'll just put this in and we'll just put a piece in, sod it. It'll be fine. This is mum, she's got it going on, yeah. Well, that's why I jumped up here. Rain, 10 o'clock, raining. Well, it started raining, so we've started this little bit that we saved for inside, and now it stopped raining, which is, well, typical. To be fair, it's good to be fair anyway, so. No rain is good, even if we are on the cover, it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Look alright, won't it, that bullseye? Plop. That's good though, it's good. Oh shit. I'll be watching you. Got a little porthole. Right, it's another morning. Says rain off and on all day today. Rain later on, but it said rain this morning, but it's like really dull, but it's not raining. So what we're gonna do is we need to brick up this window, and we've just got enough blocks left. I've ordered some more. But yeah, so we can strap this beam across here for us, for basically, so we can carry this on as rafters to go on. But there's this is getting opened here, so we need to get a lintel in here, then that'll get cut out after, and then this bricks up and carries the lintel there, and then that's going to be like a parapet wall, and roof will come down, and it's got like a gully that comes out. Pretty complicated really. And we're now going to have to cut into that roof as well and build a parapet up without it leaking into the bathroom, because that's bathroom. Alright, we need to get this done. Put a bit of king span in just to close it up and give it a bit of heat, and then we can start this without no rain and stuff going in as well, and dust and gobbo everywhere. Cool. Try and get a big bed. Right, I've got my 900 for me popping in. Well, this up ready to cut window out, and these are just totally gone, so we're going to have to take them off. Don't know why I bothered even finishing it, because it's got wood on top of it. We're just going to take these off because they're falling down. It's starting to shove wall out and all now, look. Lovely jubbly. But yeah, it needs to go there, lintel. Yeah, there. So into that pocket there behind there. I'm thinking at this point in time we just take these cuts off and put a full block on.
Might as well, we need some wall on them.
Yeah.
It's literally out a mile now.
It's moved a bit.
A bit? I think it's bothered a bit, mate.
So yeah, I'm not rebuilding it. It's only that top course, I just bellied a bit. Right, there you have it. Put them back in. So we're just knocking this bit out now for lintel. I know what you were thinking, Mark. Why did you leave them in anyway? Yeah, stupid really, wasn't it? But I'll just, you know, you just try and leave things in to save you time, but it just works out. It never works out, does it? You end up doing it hard way anyway. So we get these out, and then we can get his lintel from there to there, and then that wall can be dropped whenever to our pleasing. Fingers, yeah. Yeah, alright, right there, there, yeah, there.
Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, no.
Yeah, that's it.
I think I've gone down too far.
Yeah.
It's gone down too far.
Well, put level on, find out, eh?
No, it has. Trust me, it has.
How is that, look, we've got that in. So that comes out, that's a door hole, little nib. Open, open. I keep saying that, I must have told you 50 million times that that's opening, but you know, for those that, oh, hang on. See, this is a staircase, so you've got to be careful. But yeah, for those who aren't watching, that comes out there and that. Then there's a nib, and then that comes out into another door hole as well. Well, not pin it, nail it. Yeah. A little bit of wood going in. We just we could do with giving that, I don't know. Oh, well, I could put a piece of wood on it and just not bolt it to the wall yet. I don't want to bolt it to that wall we did yesterday, because it might be a little wet. So I reckon this goes like this, and then down here, and then this here, this gets built up. Couple of course, and then it'll have a gully that comes down there, and then it'll have to come round and out down here. I reckon that'll be a parapet wall. Just took 40mm off it so it fits under the wall. You didn't know me at all. Oh, in the year 3000. Right there, like that. That's that little bit on, look. And that's underneath, that underside works. So yeah, then it goes in line with this steel thing. Looks alright. Right, it's Thursday. We're gonna see if we can get some of this in before it rains. It is due rain, but you know, it's always due rain, isn't it, these days? Nip this off, yeah, it's not bad that, actually. I just need that, I need to angle out for that now. I just cut that, and I had to put a bevel on so it'd go up because it were a bit low. It were like there, somewhere an inch down, so I've took that off and we'll shove it right up then. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Right, I'm in there. Yeah? Yeah? Is that on his line, yeah?
Yep.
I'm just going to put one in just in case we have to move it for now. Once we start getting her in, we'll see how it goes. Should be right though. better to just pin it down first time. Right, I've cut that because I need to extend it, so it needs to be like there. So what I'll do is I'll use this, and I know it's same, gonna mark it same. Right. Cut this off.
You need glasses or something?
What I mean, nicking that blade then.
Alright.
There's all sawdust in my eyes, can't see out. She's you from Mars. Right. I don't know whether it's consistent here. Right, attempt number 2, just in short onto the one. I don't know what I was thinking there. That's it though. Voila! I'll pin that down then and we can start the rest of it. I think I've got it. That angle, that's the angle of that. We just need to come 170 back. And we should be there. Then we just need a bevel cut after this. So if we put that on like that, and we mark that, we should be good. I'll sit on this end. Yeah, and then hopefully that'll do it. I've got no squares at all, we're just
Going off his dodgy eyes.
cowboy way. No, we're not. We can get it right, we don't need them. You just measure and cut.
Yeah.
Right, so I've got that in. I'm just going to measure this for angle. That 25mm angle, yeah, and then we'll cut bevel on it. We should be right.
Yeah.
Right, I've got first one in. We've got angle right. It ended up 27 degrees. So now we've got a cut off here for that angle, cut off for top angle. So all we've got to do is measure 360 in, which will make us centres 400. Same other side, measure it, and just cut them all to these. And I'm hoping that when we'll save these maybe, and we'll have angle for other side. When we come to do that, we're not ready for that yet. It's a tiny one, look. There we go. And then as valley board will go, oh shit, up there, and then one up there. But I ain't got any wood for that. But it don't matter, we can do that another day. And now inside. We've come inside now. Well, put a sheet over his head, it's just chucking it down. Cutting birds' mouths out of this for this steel. Them steels are going to go in low. So we're going to cut birds' mouths out. We're going to put in a plate, 2x4. And then what we're going to do is we'll just put steel up to it, and then we'll just like bolt through later on to fix it in. So it should come pretty good. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We strung a line first, and then what we did is made this here, and then what happens is that just gets put up. That just gets put up to his line, that beam, look, we draw around it. Same every time.
Yeah.
So, shove it there.
There.
Yeah. So if you mark that.
That there then.
Yeah.
Before in.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Well, you can go that way a tad more, Mark. Yeah, that's it.
There. Are you happy?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, just fucking put it there, set, yeah?
Yeah. It's on piss this morning.
Oh, I want to see you a little bit. I think it's just catching on that last one, isn't it? There. Right, I'll pin this one, yeah? Bit more. Bit more.
Won't let me show.
Huh?
You won't let me show.
I'm not putting another inch.
That's alright, actually.
I'll pin them that way then as well once you get steel in. I'm not putting another in that, so I just cracked it.
That?
No.
Do you not think it is, man? Need to cut a bit of that end off.
Yeah, I think it's touching
It
it.
is, yeah, that's why we can't shove it in. That's what it is, mate. Really?
Got both sides in now, look. We've got some wood there, so I think we're gonna put these in from there to there, just get them in, because it's raining again. Yeah, it's raining pretty bad, so we're gonna do that while we can. I wanted to try and get these in, but you know, you can't do any block work today though, it's too wet. Right, no bird's mouths on these ones because it's just having steel straight. Other one had purling on the side, so we'd cut a bird's mouth on back, so all we've got to do is just chop them off each side and we're good. Got a little bushcraft benching, look. We are ready to go. Not bad at all. This wall here just gets built up to that ridge beam, so we'll just build these in so it stops flex. Limit, no. Yeah, coming now. Just need this in here, look. We just got one of the steels up off camera and it slides in there just a little, but can you see what I mean now? It goes under there and then it supports that. So we just need pads lifting up, pad stone under there, so we'll get some macro props up next time. We'll do that. I've just moved that steel that was there, that'll go back on, but we need some pad stones on. We'll record getting this one in. Wasn't too bad actually, wasn't that much of a struggle, not too bad at all. So we should go in. Maybe Josh is back Monday, he said he is, but we'll see. Because he's been off weeks with his ankle. Yeah, progress every week, even when it's really bad weather, so we are, don't matter does it, as long as we can carry on, but we're just tarping everything up all the time. I'm not getting up there to show you a view, that's going to be it, but we're not far off. I would say all we've got is, so, oh god, I'm tripping over, so as valley there, we need the same on here, but it cuts across this corner, so we need a dry day because we've got to strip back them tiles for that. That's why that bit's been left, but that's the only bit of the timber to do, that hole there. So it'll just carry up, these will just carry on, valley will go from there, that corner, upwards to there. So if you like this video and you're not subscribed, give us a subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment and hype me, well, if you want. Right, I'll catch you in the next one. We're going to be getting steels in. Hopefully if we get some dry days next week, we're going to be actually getting these gables up and finishing off. If we get a really good dry day, we might even finish that off. So fingers crossed for next week. Right, see you later, bye.